Alright guys, this flip challenge is mainly for myself, but if you guys would like to get involved, make sure you're not to stretch yourself or get yourself in trouble. Check your local laws and all that on what you could do to sell cars. But this is the car I started with, and here goes the story for it.
Well, there she is, guys. Kind of got this car not sight unseen because I've seen it before, but right this second it's not supposed to be running, and got it for pretty much scrap price. So we'll get up off the tow truck and see what we can find with it. Well, let's find out what's going on with it. Oh, wrong keys. It doesn't want to start, so they turn it over, and it does turn over fine, but it doesn't start up. So it's acting like it's, fuel pump's bad or something. It's got a fuel issue. You can tell it's not in the greatest condition. Oh, man, let me climb up in here. I'll show you what I'm talking about. Yeah, so it's been tore up pretty good. But believe it or not, it only has 108,000 miles. And for the South, where we don't have rust down here, that's pretty good. So I'll start it up. It says 31 miles to empty. Yeah, I would say it doesn't have any fuel in it, or it's acting like that. So let's put a little fuel in this thing and try it again. Okay, so I'll put about a gallon in there. Let's turn this a couple times. Well, it still says 30 miles instead of 31. Now I'll put a gallon in there. I think our fuel gauge is going to be off. But anyway, we'll rotate a couple times, let the pump some fuel up. And one more time for good measure. Everybody cross their fingers here. Oh boy. Ooh, she running rough. Yeah. I'll go ahead and we'll put some more fuel in here in a second. Yummy, rotten egg smell. I made sure I went ahead and checked the fuel shut off here and made sure that wasn't pushed in. Let me close this thing. Hello, train. I knew you was gonna come when I started videoing. Well, she's running 4.6 liters. But I figured, so we thought it was fuel pump, but I could hear the fuel pump kicking on. So I figured it's just out of gas. Now you can hear it. It's definitely got a fuel knock or something like that of some sort. So there's gonna be some playing with it. It could need a catch coming off of it, new catch. I'm not exactly sure yet, but she's running. I'm not mad at her. So now, what do we do with this car? Do we go ahead and get it running all the way right? And you can see some damage here. And oh yeah, I think she's low on fuel there, or she's not getting enough fuel out there. Anyway, we'll play with that in a minute. But the question is, what do we do with this beast? We get it all fixed up and ready to sell, and even though it's got like 108,000 miles, it's still a 2000 model. So at the end of the day, we can get it all perfectly fixed, some new seats and all that. These million dents, and it's still a 2000 model. Ain't gonna be worth a whole lot. These are pretty good cars usually, with this engine and everything. So I'm thinking, we'll see what you guys think down in the comments, just down there at the bottom. I'm thinking maybe we take that bullnose F100, or F-150, excuse me, and lay it down on this frame. It's pretty much gonna match up. So we'll have this drivetrain and the old Bullnose F-150. Look, I had to upgrade the wheels, of course, but the suspension's just been redone on this car. It's only got 108,000 miles, so as long as I can fix that problem, it may be a bad injector. It may be a bad fuel pump. Probably not. It could be a fuel filter. It could be catalytic converter stopped up. That's why I smell like rotten eggs out there. But there's no O2 check engine light for O2 sensor or anything, so I don't know. We're just gonna have to play with it. But this might be cool to do a body swap on, because this thing is gonna take a lot of work to get back to just being a 2000 model Lincoln Signature Series. Boy, it's in pretty rough shape. But like I said, I pretty much got scrap price in it. I thought, well, if I can't get it running, we'll just scrap it on out. She's running. You can see, I don't know if you can see how this door just kind of bouncing. There it goes. She's not running smooth, but I think we can get that fixed. So you guys, like I said, down in the comments, just tell me what we should do. We should just go on and hold on, it just started running better all of a sudden. Maybe it has some bad gas. Boy, it sounds better. I don't know. We'll get it figured out. Should we go ahead and fix it up enough? Just clean it up, fix it up enough to sell it as a running car, get a couple $100 out of it? Should we take the whole interior out of it and redo all that out of junkyard, get all junkyard parts and redo it? Or should we take this body off and put that bullnose on top of it? You guys let me know what we got. We're in, it's really good for the price, and we'll figure it out. I'm gonna go ahead and shut it off here, put some more fuel in it, and start it, hopefully start right back up. It might just have some bad gas and not enough in it, so we'll see. All right, let's go ahead. I'm gonna walk around here so I don't slip. Let's go ahead and get this thing started for you guys. Like I said, this interior is in bad shape. I don't think I've ever tried the radio here. FM. It seems to work fine. Okay, again, this is kind of showing the shape of the seats, and kind of the reason I decided that I'm not wanting to deal too much with this car. So the plan here is to just take the car running like it is. It runs good actually now. And just sell it like it is and flip it for as much as I can get out of it as quick as I can, so that I can go buy another vehicle, get it cleaned up, get it ready, and flip it for this challenge to get up to 10 grand. Like I said before, if anybody wants to join, just let me know and join right in, and let's see what we can do. Anybody can do this. Make sure to check your local laws on what you can and can't sell, and without putting in your name and all that. I am a dealer here in Arkansas, so it's a little different. But thanks, guys.